folks, good evening. Just yesterday afternoon, Beijing time, the Nobel Committee at the Karolinska Institute in Sweden announced that the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine has been awarded solely to Japanese immunologist Professor Shimon Sakaguchi. It's to recognize his groundbreaking work in discovering the PD-1 molecule on T cells and clarifying its function as an immune brake. This research has been hailed as a paradigm shift in the fight against cancer. Instead of directly attacking cancer cells, it chooses to liberate our body's existing anti-cancer army, the immune system, and this has given rise to the immune checkpoint inhibitor therapy. That's changing the fate of countless patients today. Professor Sakaguchi's history is a classical scientific legend driven by the pure curiosity. Back in 1990s, when the whole cancer research field was focused on how to directly kill tumors with drugs, Professor Sakaguchi was stuck on a more fundamental question. Why does the body's powerful immune system, which can recognize and kill foreign pathogens, often turn a blind eye to cancer cells, which are also foreign to the body? After years of dedicated research, his team finally found a protein called PD-1 on the surface of T cells, which are the main force of immune system. Right after that, they figured out how cancer cells express a ligand called PD-L1 and bind it to PD-1 on the T cells, sending a strong soft attacking signal to the T cells. Professor Sakaguchi found the cancer cells are leaky and hit the brake of immune system, putting the T cells that should attack them into a dormant state. This discovery was super ahead of its time back then. It completely mapped out a key escape route. The tumors rely on the survival in the human body. The breakthrough in theory eventually sparked a revolution in medical practice. Based on Professor Shimon Sakaguchi's research, pharmaceutical companies started developing antibody drugs, immune checkpoint inhibitor. They can specifically block the PD-1 and the PD-L1 pathway. The mechanism of these drugs isn't directly kill cancer cells. Instead, they take off the cancer cell, discuss and release the immune brake that being stepped on, so the patient's own unlocked T cells can recognize and attack the tumor facing again. For patients with previously highly unfavorable prognosis, such as melanoma, lung cancer, and kidney cancer, this therapy has brought about unprecedented hope for long-term survival and even enabled some advanced stage patients to achieve clinical cure. It, along with traditional surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, constitutes for the four major pillars of modern cancer treatment, and is widely regarded as the most significant breakthrough in the field of cancer treatment in this century. Professor Sakaguchi's award-winning achievement has confirmed that the immense view of basic scientific research. His work began with a seemingly unrelated fundamental issue related to the drug development, but ultimately triggered a global medical tsunami. In an interview after winning the award, he humbly stated that he merely wanted to understand the mystery of life phenomena and encourage young scientists to be brave in exploring the uncharted territories. From a solitary inquiry in the laboratory to the world-renowned glory on the podium, Professor Shimon Sakaguchi used his decade of precedence to tell us the most profound exploration of the inherent wisdom of the human body often leads to the most powerful weapons. His award is not only an individual achievement, but also the highest recognition for the curiosity and intensity of the entire human scientific community. This discovery of the immune brake has already enabled humanity to enter a new era in the long battle against disease. This is all for today's news. See you at the same time next week.